Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll be taking you along with me to a few celebrations that I enjoyed leading up to my wedding. And I had a wonderful time at my showers with such amazing women, and it was such a huge blessing being supported by family and friends and being shown so much love. It was honestly such a huge blessing to me, and I'm incredibly grateful for it. And it was just a lot of fun getting to spend time together, play games, eat delicious food and desserts, have great conversations, and celebrate such a special time in my life. For my bachelorette party, I had an amazing time, and it was great just taking a break from wedding planning and having a girls' night. And I never went to an escape room before, so this was such a cool experience, and I'm really glad that I got to go and do this. And overall, it was such a fun evening.